Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day in this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. And overall, this is essentially, you can kind of pick your poison in terms of what term you want to use, but gap and trap, pump and dump. I wouldn't quite go as far as a pump and dump, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But this was definitely a gap and trap. There's no doubt about that. Now, if you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Tuesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened right there. Hence the gap, and to be more specific, a gap up. And then this is where things got really brutal. After the gap up, the price actually went all the way up here. Some poor souls were buying up around this area, and then from that point, the price dropped all the way back down, not only to where it began and where the price opened up, but went even lower than that. So today was just totally a gap and trap, but now the key level and very important level going forward is this area down here at 34. And why is 34 cents so important? Well, this is essentially the level that, in my opinion at least, determines whether or not this just turns out to be a pump and dump. Because, think about it. If the price were to go down to 34 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would very literally be putting the price right back to where it was a few days ago when it was flirting with those lows. And price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in this situation, that would all imply that the price made a great move up, and then all of a sudden with a small amount of time has gone quite literally not only back to where it started, but even lower, and that would be the epitome of a pump and dump. So like I said, me personally, I'm not going to call this a pump and dump quite yet, but yeah, 34 cents, definitely a must-hold level going forward. If the price is going to try to recover, the first step in that is, just staying above 34 cents, but if the price is going to, like I said, make any sort of movement back to the upside, key level of resistance to watch going forward right there at 42 cents. So yeah, rough day today. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.